Welcome back to my channel. This is Lucas from LS21 Design and this is special Halloween episode. I know you're probably waiting for the second part of the Isaac Clarke build, but you'll have to wait something like, I don't know, a little bit longer. This model is ready, but I still need to finish editing the video, and because it's Halloween, I decided to revisit some of my old models I painted and I printed in the recent years, and they refers a little bit to Halloween also. I think this could be an interesting idea for a series of programs where I would like to show you models I built and painted in the past before I started making YouTube. And if you like this kind of idea and you want more content like this, let me know in the comment section. We start with Jason X Girl from Prey Collection. I had to slightly redesign this beautiful lady's shorts. I added a few elements and stitches to improve better denim jeans imitation. I must admit this is one of the first figures I printed myself, and I remember how shocked I was at the time when I saw the print quality. Today, 4 years later, it doesn't make such an impression, but still I love this model. The second model is a Tron girl. This model is from Davison William, based on the Q Young Ohm original design. This model was a real challenge for me, especially because of the Tron. I printed the original piece and I decided that, in my opinion, the Tron was a bit too small. Of course, it was my opinion. I imagined this figure sitting on a large throne in a dark, moist cave somewhere, and I decided to build just Tron like this one. At the time I was limited by the size of my 3D printer, so I figured it out to build a Tron out of hard technical foam. I believe it's called XPS foam. It's pretty easy to crave and can also be painted with water-based paints. The Demon's Call as a part of the Tron was purchased from cults3d.com and printed as a separate attribute. I think the whole thing turned out very nice, and this model remains one of my favorite to this day. Okay, folks, that's all for today. This time was this film was a little bit shorter, but I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments section. Should I make more content like this? Of course, remember to subscribe this channel. And in the next episode, finally, I'll show you how I managed to paint the Isaac Clarke from Dev Space. So see you soon and have a nice weekend.